be talking about today is my experience at the Silicon Valley International Invention Festival. And so I just want to say first, thank you so much for having me here. I'm very grateful and it's a pleasure to be here talking to all of you. And so my name's Nicole Haragutchi. I am 12 years old from Florida in the United States. I'm the founder of the If You Can Dream Foundation. And so this foundation is helping and supporting students with special needs worldwide. And I created this in 2020. I'm also the founder of the Innovation International Foundation, which was created last year. And so I created this so I can help mentor students on STEM. And also am the founder of the Sustainable Technology Solutions Inc., which created this year to talk about my solutions, such as the wildfire alarm system. And so just a little background is that when I was helping this and support the students with special needs worldwide, I saw several problems around the world. And so, such as like in Venice, they had floods. In the Philippines, it was hunger. And also in Australia, there was multiple wildfires. And so I, with my learning skills from school, I wanted to make a solution that can help solve and benefit these problems. And so using the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, I was able to make sure that my solution can help benefit the communities around the world. And so, first step on making your invention is to discover. And basically, that's researching on your problem that you're trying to solve. And so, my problem was the wildfires that I saw in Maui. And there were multiple unfortunate events that happened because they weren't able to set off their alarms. And so, as you can see here, there are multiple damages. And so, that's why I wanted to make a solution that can help solve that problem and benefit that problem. And so that's why to the next step is to imagine what your invention is going to be. And so that's why when I saw that they weren't able to set off their alarms, I wanted to make something uh, like a wildfire alarm system. And so at this part, this is just 1% of your effort to do. And so once you figure out to do that, do not give up because the next two steps are the most hardest and the most effort. And so the next step is to build. And building is the most effort, which is 60% of the effort. And so what I did for building was I did multiple technologies into this, like using the Arduino coding, using sensors, and also the LoRa transmitter and the receiver. I also used the NASA satellite, fire detection satellite, and you can go to their website to check that out. And I also used the Mesh-tastic system, which is a system that you can use to be able to contact people without using the internet service or the cell service. So this is very helpful for the wildfires because these services might not be available. And so at this part, there might be some issues or some difficulties, or you might have to try and try again. But do not give up and keep trying until you succeed, because once you succeed on this part, you can go to next part or step is to share your invention. And so you can share it at conferences, fairs, or you can patent your um, invention and be able to put it into the market and make sales. And so I actually was able to share my project at the Silicon Valley International Invention Festival, and I was able to show the wildfire alarm system. So this event was a very fun event. It was really exciting because there were more than 70 inventors at this event, and it ranged to 20 countries. And so I had such a fun time there. Not only I was able to share my project, but also I was able to be able to communicate with other inventors on their products or inventions. And so it was such a fun time, and I was also able to collab with some of them as well. So I was very successful at this event. I got 4 awards. And so this is a message to you guys that to not give up on your inventions and to be able to share it to the world. And you might be able to also, and since I was able to get all these awards, you'll be able to get it as well. So I was the youngest inventor, and I got the most awarded. I was the most awarded inventor. So using my invention, I also have other inventions as well, as you can see here. Um, so what I want to ask you guys is to join me, or you can, if you need any help on mentoring your or any advice for your inventions or need any help, you can just contact me at my Gmail, which is haragutchi@gmail.com, as you can see here, or visit my website, which is www.innovationinternational.org. So I just want to say thank you so much for having me here again. And so I'm just really happy, and it was a pleasure talking to you, to all of you guys. And so uh, thank you so much. As you can see here, this is all my websites. And if you have any questions, you can just ask at my Gmail, and I'll be able to contact you. So thank you so much for listening, and don't give up on your inventions. Thank you.